5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah, crap.
I'm gonna keep forming, it seems to be working.
Ah, crap.
Don't hero!
You first name.
You can peel them off whenever. Start killing engineers. Fair.
Ah,
Watch out.
crap.
That bag.
I got it. Watch out again.
Kill engineers, please.
Life cocoon.
Kill spell. Bell's up
Get
in the
away
back.
from
Need
melee.
CPS. CPS, the bell's in the back.
Leave that alone.
I don't know what's going on over here, but
Ah, crap.
all bombs in. All bombs in.
Move with me.
Sack Noah.
We have it under control.
Get on slag.
Star. Freaking.
Slag bomb.
Kill it.
Ah,
New
crap.
slag's out. Fuck up this elemental. Security guard out.
Kill circle, kill circle. Slag bomb. Fire caller. Sorry. Primal.
These are shielded already.
Ah, crap.
Finish fire caller.
New one over there.
Green's not up yet.
Okay.
Just kill fire caller.
Focus forming after
Green's
the
coming
dead.
up.
It's on. Wait.
Wait.
It's
Get him out of shield.
Ah, crap.
DPS green.
New fire colors.
Primal.
Big damage on primal. Leave off the fire.
Someone kicks
your
the
spot.
window so you can bring it back up.
Kick blue, have rupture. Alright,
Circling. Circling. Get circling.
Kill circle.
Ah, crap.
Slag bomb. Primal.
No, no. No.
Huh?
She ripped the security guard off me.
It's fine.
It's fine,
Fine.
just kill Primal.
Move green.
Kill
Fire
foreman.
colors.
Get green in.
New fire
Fire
colors.
color.
Watch your splash.
Kill green. Come back.
I kicked that.
Kill the low HP one.
No kick for 7 for blue.
I'll get it.
Slag bomb.
Alright, I got next.
Primal.
Kill the low HP one.
Open with the elementalist. You only got 2, it's fine.
New fire colors.
Bring circle in a bit. Come back.
Nope.
Kill circle.
Green to the next one when it's fine.
Primal. Kill green. Kill green.
Aw, crap.
Oh, really good. Keep it clean.
Kill primal. Go hard on him so we can skip the next fire colors.
Yeah. You're up.
I need to get
fire
blue
colors
to
up.
me.
Dispel. Cleave circle down.
There's a person off your left.
Don't die with this next blast in 2 seconds.
Slag bomb.
Aw, crap.
Primal. 10-second to kill it.
Burn it, burn it,
I
burn
can
it. burn
touch
it.
it.
Oh, touch it.
Good. Clean
Nicely
up guards
done.
now. Guard.
Kill the guard.
We got colors.
It's
Just
fine. Just cleave the
Cleave
fire
and
colors
select.
down.
Cleave the. Ignore boss.
be good with melts.
Listen to Killy for the melt.
Mowing bow.
Shield on.
Yeah. Finish the guards. 2 of them up. There's a fire collar too in the back.
Body bag.
Good. Good, good, good.
Nice. On the boss.
Big damn.
Penny.
Get him. Get him. Get him now. Buffs immediately.
When are we listing? Just as a so I know.
We should do it now.
Done. Hero. Everybody's alive.
Nimin.
Second potion.
Use your pop.
Aw,
We move.
crap.
I'll move it.
Okay.
Rolls again.
Where?
Gerardo.
So I could get an extra stack.
Yeah.
Shine bright.
I only have one, so
Aw,
I'll go
crap.
after you and then he'll take it after me, okay?
Alright.
Eins.
Gerardo, use your amp.
Talk.
Watch the tanks. All 3 of them.
Move faster. We have melt really close to
Going,
us.
going.
Shine
Can we
bright.
get him or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Get him.
Buffs out.
Call for bomb.
Pop another rune if you can.
Elise.
Lion's amp.
It keeps pulling. I don't know.
My stacks reset is good.
Okay.
Aw, crap.
Taunting.
Cool down, you just.
Eins
Yeah.
burn.
Do you have a health pot? Use it before this next blast. You're low.
Bleach.
In 2 seconds.
Now.
In dump bomb. Smoke bomb.
Yeah,
Get
bomb.
him this
on,
LT.
on melee.
Noel
Bomb's
attack.
down.
Got it. Yeah.
Can't get her. Start using personals. We need to move. Gotta milk. Club.
Buffer.
Eins
Tonic.
burn.
The ball's up.
Start using foxes one by one.
Mine's up.
Gerardo.
Noella just devo when it's back up.
Slab bomb next.
Very
5 seconds.
good.
Okay, never mind.
Can you use barrier?
Penny.
Give
Barrier
the
on.
barrier.
We got this. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine.
Fucking kill it!
Good job.
Yeah.
Holy